Good morning, students. Today, in this video lecture, I am going to discuss the second type of reaction intermediate, that is your carbon ion. So, first of all, we have to discuss what are carbon ions. The definition is already written here. Carbon ions are defined as a group of atoms with a negatively charged carbon atom having 8 electrons in the valence shell. In the valence shell means that is your after sharing. So if you compare this definition with carbocation, a group of atoms with a positively charged carbon atom having 6 electrons. तो कार्बोकेटायन में क्या था? पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कार्बन एटम था, पॉइंट नंबर 1. एंड द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज देयर इज 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन in the valence shell after sharing. But in this case, there are 8 electrons in the valence shell after sharing. Now, let us consider an example. The example is your, say, this is CH3 and we have an electron pair. So, for this electron pair, we may write CH3 minus. So this minus charge is for this your electron pair. Now this carbon ion is called your methyl carbon ion. आप खुद याद करिए, आपको खुद याद होगा कि यदि आप ऐसा लिखते हो, if you write like this CH3 and here is your plus, then this is your methyl carbocation, but this is your methyl carbon ion. Now if somebody asks you that how can you say that in carbon ion there is octet of electron, means that is 8 electron in the valence shell after sharing. Now let us see, this is carbon, say this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. Now after sharing this is 2, after sharing this is 2 because there is a single bond, after sharing this is 2. So altogether we have 6 electron and this is your one pair of electron. You can say this pair of electron is a unshared pair. So we can say or we can write on carbon atom there is one unshared pair of electron. There is one unshared pair of electron in case of your carbon ion. Now, similar to your carbocations, carbon ions are of 3 types. So right, they are of 3 types. Number 1 degree of primary carbon ion. Number 1 is 1 degree of primary carbon ion. Number 2 is your 2 degree of secondary carbon ion, and number 3 is your 3 degree of tertiary carbon ion. तो ये कार्बन आयन जो है वो आपको 3 तरह के हो गए. नंबर 1 इज योर 1 डिग्री ऑफ प्राइमरी, नंबर 2 2 degree of secondary, number 3 3 degree of tertiary. If we consider your primary carbon ion, then the general formula is your RCH2 minus. So this is your 1 degree your primary carbon. Now somebody asks you what will be the simplest formula of a primary carbon ion. You know the simplest alkyl group R is your methyl. सबसे छोटा अल्काइल जो होता है वो मिथाइल होता है, तो उस हिसाब से आप लिख सकते हो दिस इज योर इथाइल कार्बन आयन. सो इथाइल कार्बन आयन इज योर सिंपलेस्ट 1 डिग्री और प्राइमरी कार्बन आयन. तो आप चाहते तो इथाइल कार्बन आयन को इसके बदले ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे. सी दिस इज योर CH3 CH2 and we have a electron pair. So this is your ethyl carbon ion. Now again in this carbon ion the carbon has octet 2, 4, 6 or 2 it is. So ultimately after sharing there will be 8 electron. Now the second is your 2 degree or secondary carbon ion. The second is 2 degree or it is simply called secondary carbon ion. The simplest structure is your like this. There are 2 alkyl group. Secondary carbon ion में कितने alkyl group होंगे? At least it is simply your 2. At least means the lowest R, that will be suppose your methyl. So if we have example of this type, this is your sec propyl carbon ion, sec propyl or isopropyl, sec propyl carbon ion या इसको secondary propyl भी कहते हैं. Now similarly the structure of a tertiary carbon ion is your of this type. This is your 3 degree or tertiary carbon ion. For example, if we write CH3 इस माइनस चार्ज के बदले आपने पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे डाल दिया. Then what is the name? The name is your tertiary butyl carbon ion. तब इसका नाम क्या कहलाएगा? ये हो गया आपको tertiary butyl carbon ion, which is a 3 degree carbon ion. Now, if somebody asks you that if we have a carbon ion of this type, say this is your benzene ring, this is carbon, say this is methyl, this is CH2, this is CH3 and this carbon has minus charge, then this is your 3 degree or tertiary carbon ion. अगर ऐसा कोई आपको पूछता है तो आप क्या बोलोगे? ये टर्शियरी कार्बन आयन है. क्यों टर्शियरी कार्बन आयन है? This is an alkyl, this is another alkyl, and this benzene ring, this is not alkyl but it is your aryl. This is not alkyl but this is your aryl. So this is your 3 degree. Means if we have CH2 minus, then it is your 1 degree. If we have simply CH minus, then it is 2 degree. And if we have simply C minus, then we can say it is your 3 degree. तो इस तरीके से आप आइडेंटिफाई कर लोगे whether the carbon ion is your primary, secondary or tertiary. Now the question is how carbon ions can be formed during an organic reaction. So right, carbon ions are formed carbanions are formed as a result of haptolytic cleavage, as a result of haptolytic cleavage or haptolytic fission, when carbon atom is attached, when carbon atom is attached with more electropositive element or group than itself. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एकदम जब भी आपको समझना हो ना, तो कभी भी आप कॉम्प्लेक्स एग्जाम्पल न लें, एकदम सिंपल से सिंपल एग्जाम्पल लें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव ए कंपाउंड ऑफ दिस टाइप. एक ऐसा हमारे पास कोई कंपाउंड है एंड दिस ग्रुप इज योर Z. दिस ग्रुप इज योर Z. सो इफ I say that carbon is more electronegative than Z, अगर हम कहते हैं कि कार्बन हमारा Z से ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है, या अपोजिट Z इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव देन कार्बन, दोनों एक ही चीज हुआ, देन व्हाट हैपेंस इन दैट केस? Your shared pair of electron is not taken away by Z, but the shared pair of electron is taken away by the carbon. Why? Because your carbon is more electronegative. So what happens in this case? In this case, the shared pair of electron along with carbon and this Z have simply a positive charge. Now this species is known as your कार्बनायन. इसी को हम क्या कह देंगे? कार्बनायन कह देंगे. तो मान लीजिए अगर ये हाइड्रोजन तीनों रहता, then such carbanion is your methyl carbanion. For example, if we have a compound like methyl lithium, this compound is called your मिथाइल लिथियम. तो आप भी जानते हो कि लिथियम मेटल है, मेटल्स आर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? द शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज विथ योर कार्बन एंड देन वी कैन से दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिथाइल कार्बनायन. तो इस तरीके से आपका कार्बनायन बनेगा. See some another example of the formation of carbanion. Consider some another example of formation of your carbanion. For example, if we have a compound like acetylene, मान लीजिए आपके पास ये एसिटिलीन है जिसको आप कहते हो इथाइल. If this ethyl react with your amide ion NH2 minus, this amide ion, कहिएगा भाई ये amide ion कहाँ से आएगा? That amide ion may be obtained from your sodium amide, that is your NaNH2, sodium amide. So that sodium amide will give amide ion, and then this amide ion, what it will do? It will snatch this hydrogen as H plus. वो क्या करेगा? इस हाइड्रोजन को H plus के रूप में निकालेगा. तो जब ये H plus के रूप में निकालेगा means it will form your ammonia, and then this shared pair of electron is taken away by this carbon. And when this shared pair of electron is taken away by this carbon, you can see this is the formation of your carbanion. This is your carbanion. Why carbanion? Because carbon has the negative charge. Now this carbanion especially, it is known as your acetalide ion. Now it is very important to note that carbon ion is not very much common as common your कार्बोकेटायन। आप जितना भी ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शन पढ़ोगे आगे उसमें देखोगे क्या कि कार्बोकेटायन जितना इजीली फॉर्म होता है और इट इज इन मोस्ट ऑफ द रिएक्शन इट इज फॉर्म्ड एट इंटरमीडिएट, हाउएवर कार्बन आयन इज फॉर्म ओनली इन some of the reaction as intermediate. So the example of carbon ion, they are less familiar in comparison to your carbocation. Now next is orbital structure of carbon ion. Next is your orbital structure of carbon ion. Orbital structure of carbon ion. The carbon in carbon ion is sp3 hybridized. The carbon in carbon ion is sp3 hybridized. You know, as it is your sp3 hybridized, so it should be your tetrahedral. कहता है क्योंकि कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन यहाँ sp3 है, इसलिए इसको टेट्राहेड्रल होना चाहिए था, लेकिन ये टेट्राहेड्रल नहीं होगा। बट ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वन लोन पेयर, बट ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वन लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, वन लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑन कार्बन एटम, ये लोन पेयर आपका कहाँ रहता है? कार्बन एटम पे। लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑन कार्बन एटम, इट इज ऑफ pyramidal shape. Its shape is your pyramidal. You know, ammonia molecule is also your pyramidal in shape. So like ammonia, we have shape of your carbon ion. So this is the shape of your carbon ion, and see, this is your lone pair of electron. So in case of carbon ion, what happens? These three are bond pairs, but this one is your lone pair. So you can say that one of the orbital will associate with your lone pair of electron. However, the three are filled by the bond pair of electron, hence it is of your pyramidal shape. अब सपोज करो कि आपको किसी ने पूछ दिया कि ड्रॉ द शेप ऑफ मिथाइल कार्बन आयन, तो भाई आपको मिथाइल कार्बन आयन का शेप ड्रॉ करना है। इन तीनों जगहों पर आप हाइड्रोजन लगा दीजिए, देन इट विल बी द शेप ऑफ योर मिथाइल कार्बन आयन। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज योर ऑर्डर ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी। Next is order of stability. Now for your information, order of stability it is just reverse to your carbocation. Means primary carbon ion more stable than secondary, more stable than tertiary. So your primary carbon ion, that is your more stable than secondary carbon ion, further more stable than your टर्शियरी कार्बन आयन, यानी जो टर्शियरी कार्बन आयन है यू कैन से इट विल बी लिस्ट स्टेबल। ये आपका क्या हुआ, लिस्ट स्टेबल, जबकि प्राइमरी कार्बन आयन आपका मोस्ट स्टेबल। हाँ, कोई पूछे कि इससे भी, तो इससे भी कौन होगा, naturally you can say that is your basic carbon ion, that is called your methyl carbon ion. Now you know stability is just opposite to the reactivity. If we consider the reactivity, because like your carbocation, carbon ions are very much reactive. Like carbocation, your carbon ions are very much reactive. That's why it is your reactive intermediates. So if we consider reactivity, then again it will be reverse. फिर ये उल्टा हो जाएगा. You can say tertiary more reactive than secondary, more reactive than primary. Because if something is least stable, it means it is your most reactive. If something is most stable, it will be least reactive. तो stability वर्सेस रिएक्टिविटी जो आप ट्रेंड लोगे, दैट ट्रेंड विल बी योर कंप्लीटली रिवर्स, जैसा कि आप ऑलरेडी कार्बोकेटाइन में भी देख चुके हो। सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू। देयर शुड बी नो डिफिकल्टी इन योर कार्बन आयन।